Exercise number 7.1, third question. Verify whether the points, 3 points are given are collinear or not. Okay. Now solution you see. How to do this very important question. Given points are there. Their points are collinear or lying on the same straight line. Lying on the same straight line. Like this also you can ask the question whether collinear or not, or lying on the same straight line or not. So what we should do, simply we should draw one diagram like this. Give this name as A, give this name as B, give this name as C. Take the points as 1, 5, B of 2, 3, C of -2, -1. To check whether they are collinear by distance formula, what we should do, find the distance of AB. Distance of AB, comma, where A is equal to how much you write down? A is equal to 1, 5. B is equal to, you write down 2, 3. Name these points x1, y1. x2, y2. Now AB is equal to distance of AB. AB means distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, is equal to square root x2 2, x1 1 whole square, y2 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1 square. Big number 5, symbol is minus. From 5 take out 3, 2 minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of 1 square. 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1 plus. You should not open the bracket plus into minus like that. Why? Because here whole square is there. Minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So here 4 is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 5. This is the distance of AB. AB is equal to square root of 5 u. Now you find the distance of BC. Distance of BC, where B is equal to how much? 2, 3. C is equal to minus 2, minus 1. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now BC is equal to BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of x2 minus 2 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 3 whole square is equal to square root of, both the symbols are same, minus 2 plus 2 4 whole square, both the symbols are same, minus 1 plus 3 4 whole square is equal to square root of minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus, minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 plus this also 16. Repeated addition, 16 into 2 times, 16 is coming 2 times. Square root of 16, 4 root 2. This is the distance of BC. Now how much you got? 4 root 2 from here to here, 4. Now you find the distance of AC. Distance of, I am removing this. Distance of AC, where A is equal to 1 comma 5 comma C is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, now AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to square root of x2 minus 2 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 5 whole square is equal to square root of, both are minus 2 plus 1 3 whole square, both are minus 5 plus 1 6 whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 9 plus minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6 minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36 square root of 5 45. This is the value of what? AC. Now what we should do, you should add these two values AB plus, now AB plus BC is equal to, AB is root 5 plus BC is 4 root 2. We cannot add, we cannot simplify. This value should be equal to what means AC. But AC is how much? 45. This can be written as how much means here? 9 into 5. 9 5 are 45. No? So square root of 9 is how much? Is equal to square root of 9 means 3. Here is equal to I am writing root 5. But because here root 5 you got, that's why I am changing. Nothing but here square root of 45 is there. Square root of 45 is equal to square root of 9 into 5 or 5 into 9. Square root of 9 is 3 root 5. This is the value of what is exactly AC. If you stop there only, there is no problem, root 45. But I am making it shorter. So what? Simplified. So this is AC. In the place of AC 3. Now we cannot add this one, and these values are not equal. Means what? Therefore AB plus BC value is not equal to AC value. Therefore A comma B comma C are not collinear or not? Not collinear. Not collinear or non-collinear also you can see. Simply you should find the distance of this one, you should find the distance of this one, you add these two and find the distance of AC. After adding, if the distance is equal to the distance of AC, then you should say that the given points are collinear. If that condition is not satisfying, we should say that the given points are not collinear by using distance formula. More important question, 9th question. If the distance between 2 points, this point and this point is 10, means here solution you see, what is given? Distance between 2 points. I am taking one point here, again one point here. So this I am taking as name A, this one as B. So I am taking this point as x comma 7, this point as 1 comma 15. Now what is telling? Distance between 2 points, from this point to this point, the distance is given as 10. This is 10 centimeter, nothing has given 10, simply you write down 10. Solution you see, given, what is given? Given AB is equal to 10, simply write down. AB means what? Distance. Here whenever value is given, here also this is distance, this is also distance, but distance value is given, so this side we should write the formula. So here is equal to is there, means we should start with implies. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This square root up to here is equal to 10 means 10. Okay. Now name it as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is it, implies square root of x2 means how much? 1 minus x1 x whole square plus y2 15 minus y1 7 whole square is equal to 10 implies square root of 1 minus x number alphabet, we cannot do subtraction, write it like that only, plus from 15 take out 7 8 square is equal to 10 implies square root of, write it like that only, 1 minus x whole square plus 8 square, 8 into 8 is 64 is equal to 10. Now here square root is here square root is not there. So to remove the square root, we should write one step, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This is very important point. When one side square root is there, to remove that square root, we should do squaring on both sides. Okay? So nothing, squaring on both sides means question as usual you write down 1 minus x whole square plus 64 whole square is equal to 10 square. That is the meaning of squaring on both sides. Implies root square cancel. What is left? 1 minus x whole square plus 64 is equal to 10 square. 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100. Implies 1 minus x whole square is equal to 100. This is the number, this number you take to this side, plus 64, it will become minus 64. Implies 1 minus x whole square, from 100 take out 64, 36. Implies 1 minus x is equal to, if you remove the square, it will become square root of 36. Implies 1 minus x is equal to square root of 36 means how much? 6 6 means 6. Implies now 1 plus 6 you bring this side, minus 6 is equal to minus x you take that side, plus 6. Implies means 1, this is the big number, so minus 5 is equal to x. Implies x is equal to minus 5. Sir, you will get one more doubt, sir. Sometimes you will tell when you send square this side it will become plus or, you can write plus or minus also, plus or minus. So if you take two values are here now, 1 minus x is equal to plus 6 I am taking this side, minus 6, this simplified. Next is what? From here 1 minus 6 if I take this side, plus 6 is equal to minus x I am sending that side, plus. Implies 1 plus 6 7 is equal to x. Implies x is equal to 7. Means two values you got. Means x is equal to what? In the place of x how much you will write? Minus 5. Means here minus 5 comma this is 7. Next value what you can write? 7 also. 7 comma 7. Now whether this is correct you see? 7 comma 7. 7 comma 7 and here is 1 comma 15. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 7 whole square means 36 you will get, plus y2 minus y1, 8 you will get, 8 8s are 64 you will get. This is square root of, you add this one 100, square root of 100 means 10, you got 10. Okay. Now sir, this value minus 4, minus 5 comma 7 and 1 comma 15. x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus plus 6, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 square means 36 plus y2 minus y, 8 square 64, square root 64 add 100, square root of 100 10. I understood you, I hope nothing but here you will get confused. Whenever you are sending square to that side, plus or minus square root of 36. But here in question distance between 2 points, he has not given the condition of x is positive integer or negative integer. What he is not telling. If he is telling x value is positive integer only, means we should take this one. He has not told anything to us, that's why we are taking both the values. x is equal to, therefore x is equal to minus 5 comma 7. Sorry, this is not 9th question, 10th question now. 10th question. Question number 15. Okay. Question is 12th question. Find the radius of the circle whose center is, means solution you see carefully. Circle means I am drawing the circle here. This is the circle. The center of this circle is, suppose this is the center. Center is given to you as 3, 2. I am taking the center name as A. And passing through minus 5, that circle is passing through one point here. This is the point minus 5, 6. Simple, that much. If I join from here to here, this is nothing but what? R. This is radius. What is the value of radius? Radius is nothing but distance from A to this point. This point I am taking as A. Simple. Okay. That now R is nothing but what? Distance. Distance between A, B, where A is equal to 3, 2. B is equal to minus 5, 6. Name it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, distance of AB. AB is nothing but what? R is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of. Naming you are done here. This is x1. Sorry, here I am giving the names. x2 minus 5 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 2 whole square is equal to square root of, both are minus 5 plus 3 8 whole square plus, from 6 take out to 4 square. No need of writing whole square. Why? Because here minus symbol is there, that's why I am writing whole square. This is equal to square root of minus 8 whole square, minus 8 into minus 8, minus into minus plus 8 8s are 64 plus 4 square, 4 4s are 60 is equal to square root of 6, 10, 1, 7, 8. Okay? This is equal to square root of 80. Can you do anything here? 80 means here you see 4 2s are 4 20. Next is 4 5s are. Means 4 4s are 16 into 5. This is equal to square root of 16, you know, 4 root 5. Therefore, R is equal to 4 root 5.